Well, if you look at this example, looks like Z is missing. And then, since equation 3 is missing Y, eliminate Y again from equation 1 and 2. So if you look at equation number 3, carefully, you don't see Y here. So if I pick the first two equations and eliminate Y, then I get one equation in terms of X and Z, which is right here. So we have X and Z, then we can take that result with equation number 3 and solve for the unknown variable. So once again, since equation 3 is missing Y, eliminate again from equation 1 and 2. So let's take a look at equation 1 and 2. In order to eliminate Y, what do we have to do? You have to multiply if I want to eliminate 1 from equation 1 and 2, what do I have to multiply either of these two equations with? You multiply the top row by 2. If I multiply the first equation by 2, then the coefficient of Y would be opposite of each other. So here we have 2x minus 2y is equal to 12. Remember, you have to multiply each term by 2. And then the next one is 2y plus 5z is equal to 1. As you see there, once I add these two, the coefficient of y cancels each other out. And then we get 2x plus 5z is equal to 13. That's my new equation, number 4, we call it. If I take this equation and the third equation, I have two equations and two unknown to solve for x and z. Okay. To solve that, we need to again eliminate either x or z. Doesn't matter which one. If I wanted to eliminate x, can somebody tell me what I have to multiply the top and bottom row with to make them opposite? Very good. The top by -2, the bottom by 3. That would make the top row, the coefficient of x -6, the bottom is 6. Now if I add these, again, don't forget to multiply each term by those factors. You can solve for z. Once you solve for one of these variables, you plug it back into either of these equations, solve for x, and then in this case, you substitute that into this equation, solve for y, because now I know what z is. You can solve for y, and then to solve for x, you plug it back into one of these original equations to solve for x, and here would be my answer.